You need a 19 socket. You need a screwdriver. We have 3 screws here. Take care that you don't lose the washers. There's a normal washer and a wave washer under it. You could, for instance, also mark the position of the stator. And just take a knife or something sharp and you mark it here. But we're gonna check the ignition timing in detail anyways later on, so it does not matter. And my guess is that we need a new starter. Now it's already loose, but you have to first unplug the cables. And now you just pull out the cables, but gentle, not to hurt the plugs. And that was it. And that's another starter that is definitely okay. Oh wait. Now put in the 3 screws and fix the starter. Don't tighten them yet. Put in all 3 of them first, because we have to turn it to set ignition timing. For just starting, it doesn't matter if it's not precise. It should not be. Reconnect the cable of the starter with the black box. First the white cable, then the red, then the green, and then the kill cable from the frame. Usually it's green, this one is red. Remounting the flywheel. That's a PK flywheel. It has 2 grooves. Make sure you use the right one. I marked it. So it's here. First the washer, then the screw nut. Tightening it a bit. We need a holder, flywheel holder. Fix it. As this flywheel is smaller, the holder is too short, so there's a small trick. You just use a screwdriver like this and push it towards the flywheel. And just make sure that it's tightened to 70 millimeters. Setting ignition timing. There are 2 marks on the starter. On the right hand side, IT. On the other, on the left side, it's A. Remember the trick I showed the other guy. There's the cylinder. There's the pickup. The nearer the pickup is to the cylinder, so this direction, the smaller is the value. Let's say this is 18, and cylinder, starter, the farther away the pickup is, the bigger is the value. So this will be 23. Yeah. This direction, clockwise, to the cylinder, 18. You increase the distance from cylinder to the starter, it gets bigger. So this is 23, 18. What do we want? For all tunings, 177, 186, 210, 221, 18. So Turn it like this. Now tighten the screws.